Good morning. It is January 12th and we're taking a look over at guncalendars.com. We have a couple of things to talk about today. The first being the anniversary of the passing of Arisaka, well, I have no idea how to pronounce his last name, but he was a firearms inventor in Japan, born in 1852, and today, January 12th, marks his passing in 1915. Today is also anniversary for gun websites. Back in 2012, well actually in 2011, we were approached from the television show Modern Marvels if they could use some of our footage, and we said yes. I used to watch Modern Marvels with my grandfather, and a show we both enjoyed, so I consider it an honor to be picked to have some footage on there. It's not very much, it's just a few 9 or 30 seconds, I forget, but it's a couple of different video clips from videos that we had made for YouTube on some of the tiny revolvers that we have in the collection, and they used it on an episode called Tiny Weapons. It was season 1, episode 15, and that aired while we were at SHOT Show back in 2012. So we were able to go live while the footage aired for the first time on cable TV. Definitely an interesting happening in our career on doing things online, and one that we're real proud of. I really like the show Modern Marvels, and it's awesome to be able to say that we're a part of it, even if it is for just a couple of seconds. So that was January 12th. We'll stay tuned for more, and until next time, thanks for watching.